Hi everyone, so today you'll be working on an activity that is very similar to the one I had you do 2 days ago, except for this one, you'll be drawing force diagrams for all of the scenarios listed below. Each diagram will have two pairs of forces, 4 arrows total on them. The bolded object is the one that the forces are acting upon. So for this activity, arrows need to be sized appropriately, i.e. larger or stronger forces need to have bigger arrows. And you can either make these as a digital drawing as you did 2 days ago, or draw these in your books and then paste a picture of your work here so they can see it and give you feedback. So the three scenarios: 1, a ball rolling down a hill; 2, a person walking; and 3, a kite flying in the wind. All these scenarios will have 4 forces working on the object in bold. For scenario 1, this is the ball. For scenario 2, this is the person. And for scenario 3, this is the kite. And all you need to do is draw the 3 force diagrams, each with 4 arrows within it, and then hand it in tonight. Thank you.